Invest in land, invest in future. NJ India Realty presents NJ Eco Habitat. NJ Eco Habitat 1 is a concept of NJ India Realty Private Limited to promote environment-friendly, sustainable development of the land resources, such as to protect the environment from the burning issue of global warming and to preserve the Mother Earth. At NJ India Realty, we understand the challenges in shaping reality from your realty aspirations. In an industry which is still evolving, we bring to customers strong value and support in helping them achieve their dreams. We leverage our experience and scale in helping customers find and buy the right property at the right price, following the right process across India. NJ Eco Habitat 1 is located at Dahej in Gujarat, 80 km from Vadodara. Dahej is an upcoming industrial location with a state-of-art infrastructure and abundance of resources to run the industry in a cost-effective manner. To add to it, Dahej is also located at the pathway of the centre's largest infrastructure project, the DMIC. This shall significantly reduce the logistics cost of the industries located in Dahej. Dahej looks to be a very attractive industrial location and shall emerge to be a large city of India. India, the world's largest democracy, has a population of 1.3 billion. It is now world's fourth largest economy and it will cross Japan by 2012 and 2014 to become the third largest GDP, which will be $576 billion. The real estate sector accounts for approximately 5% of India's GDP. The current size of the industry is close to $50 billion and the same is expected to reach a size of $180 billion by 2020. A dedicated freight corridor is being built between Dadri in the National Capital Region and JN Port Trust in Mumbai. This high-speed rail corridor would cover a distance of 1,483 kilometers and would pass through 6 states. And that is not all. A mega industrial corridor would be created along the freight network. This corridor will have 9 industrial zones. In fact, there is a buzz across Gujarat about the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Almost 40% of the entire stretch of the corridor would pass through the state, and the state government is planning to cash in on this opportunity. The government has earmarked 13 zones as SIRs or Special Investment Regions around the corridor for development, and the range of industries in these hubs would range from automobiles manufacturers to logistics majors. And experts are quick to point out that DMIC would usher in a new wave of growth in Gujarat. Gujarat is indeed speeding on the highway to success, and the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor would play a major role in sustaining the growth momentum. Situated on the Gulf of Khambat in Bharuch district of Gujarat, Dahej is a fast-developing port town. It is a special investment region with an area of 453 square kilometers. It is situated 42 kilometers west of Bharuch. Bharuch railway station serves Dahej. The nearest airport is at Vadodara. Dahej SEZ has been identified as among the top 25 global free zones of the future 2010-11 by FDI magazine, FT Business, London. Dahej looks to be a very attractive industrial location and shall emerge to be a large city of India. Taking the Bharuch-Dahej road past through the GACL expansion site to reach Rahiyar Chowkड़ी. Move straight by passing Welspun Company on the right and Jolwa, GACL and IPPL on the left to reach Dahej Chowkड़ी. Take a right and reach Kadodra Chowkड़ी. Moving towards Muler Chokri, reach NJ Eco Habitat 1 crossing Panyadra. NJ Eco Habitat 1, a combination of technological, architectural and environmental excellence. NJ Eco Habitat 1, an environment-friendly residential plotting scheme, is available for the current inhabitants and migrants to Dahej to reside and make it their permanent home. NJ Eco Habitat 1 is a combination of technological, architectural and environmental excellence for the community of Dahejians to live a peaceful life. NJ Eco Habitat 1 is located in Dahej, the fast-growing place in Gujarat. NJ Eco Habitat 1 will be well programmed with proper land acquisition, cost analysis and project designing, which will be dealt with by an expert team of architect, structure designer, various consultants, legal advisors, auditors, etc. As a philosophy of NJ, we always look for the customer wealth creation. With the same objective, we identify the realty opportunity with defined research and analysis for the long-term wealth creation. NJ Eco Habitat 1 offers various features like pavers roads, paver blocks for the pathways, storage water tanks, rainwater harvesting system for the campus, underground water supply, underground storm water drain, large open spaces for gardens, underground cables for electricity, street lights, use of trees as sound barriers, and reduced air, water, sound, land and light pollution with plantations, etc. Invest in land, invest in future.